We'll guide you through how to merge text and image in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create eye-catching designs where text blends seamlessly with images. This effect is popular for social media posts, presentations, and thumbnails. Open Windows and then open Canva on your computer or laptop to begin the process. Click Create a Design on the home screen to start a new project. In this tutorial, we will use a presentation as an example, so select the presentation option from the available formats. Once the editor opens, go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select Uploads to access your files. Click Upload Files and choose an image from your device. After uploading, drag the image onto the page and place it properly on the canvas. Next, add the image from earlier with the background removed and align the image so that it matches the previous one neatly. Now select the text menu and add a text box to your design. Then write how to merge text and images in Canva as an example inside the box. Go to the font tool and select a bold font to make the text stand out clearly. Change the text color to white for better contrast against the image background. Adjust the position and size of the text so that it appears above the image. Click Position in the top toolbar and select Backward to move the text layer behind certain elements if needed. Duplicate the text to create another layer. Then select Effects from the toolbar. Choose the hollow effect and adjust the thickness setting to customize the outline of the text until you achieve the desired look and finish your design with a clean and professional appearance. Finally, review your layout to ensure everything is aligned and visually balanced across the page. Make small adjustments to spacing, positioning, and proportions so the text and images blend smoothly together. If needed, tweak the image placement again to improve composition and readability. You can also experiment with slight size changes to enhance emphasis on key parts of the design.